Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate CI Hub Drive after you've successfully installed it. So let's dive in. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the CI Hub Drive interface illustrated in this window, which you can detach from the menu and also pin it again using the pin. If you close the detached window, you can pick it up again by clicking on the CI Hub Drive icon in the menu bar. Now, let's move to the three main tabs: the Drive tab, the Activity tab, and the Settings tab. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Navigating the Drive tab. In the CI Hub Drive tab, you can access the Hamburger button to get further support, change the language, or restart the connector if needed. To start connecting to your cloud systems or dams, you can simply click on the plus button. Afterwards, you can type the name of your system in the search bar. In this example, I will look for OneDrive. Or you can also filter the available integrations according to your needs. However, if your integrations are not supported yet, ask your DAM vendor. After you have found your DAM or cloud system, you can establish the connection by clicking on the plus button. Once connected, you will be able to see it listed under the CI Hub Drive tab, and also a Finder window will be launched with the integration. A useful tip that's worth mentioning is that you can connect to as many integrations as you wish. For example, we can add another integration like Dropbox. We type the name of the integration, then we add it. Now it's successfully connected. Another useful tip is that you can load multiple instances of the same cloud or DAM. For example, we could access two different Dropbox accounts simultaneously. We click again the plus button, Dropbox, and add the integration. And again, successfully connected. Afterwards, you can rename the accounts to avoid confusion. To do so, uncheck mark the account you want to rename, click on the name and rename it. Here, we can name this one Dropbox Business. And we keep the other one as it is, and make sure to check mark it again to activate it. Now, let's suppose that you want to access these integrations later, but you want to skip the hassle of connecting to each of them individually. What you could do is make sure that all your desired integrations are checkmarked, then proceed by clicking on Save. Then set a password of at least 6 characters, then Save. To retrieve your saved integrations, click on the Load Profile button. Insert your password, click on Retrieve, take over, and then you'll have them back. You can close all the Finder windows, and by one click on the Drive icon, a Finder window will pop up with all your integrations. Under Locations, select the integration you want to connect to, then you can access your digital assets manually by browsing your folders. However, if you have a large volume of assets, you can create a new folder within the Saved Searches folder and name it after the asset you're looking for. Keep in mind that the name of this folder acts as the search term, triggering the search function of the connected system. For instance, I'll name this folder Car. This will trigger the search function to find all content named Car in our connected system. Afterwards, let's click on the cloud icon. Then the folder will populate with car pictures as we are going to see. Awesome! Now, if you right-click on an asset, you'll see all the available features. For example, if you want an overview of the metadata of an asset, click on Get Info. Here, you can see the tags, keywords, and more. If needed, you can also reload the asset or open it in your browser. For instance, we can open this picture directly in our connected system. Additionally, you can use the search bar in Finder to search for your desired assets based on tags, keywords, or other metadata. For example, one of the tags we saw in the last picture was the name of the car brand Shelby. There we have it. Perfect. Now, let's move to the next tab. Navigating the Activity tab. The Activity tab keeps track of all actions across your connected services. Here, you can monitor what has been downloaded, uploaded, or changed. As you can see, our car search earlier in the saved searches folder has been tracked in this tab. And by clicking on the link icon next to the asset name, you'll be directed to the file in the folder of your drive. And if you click on the external link on top of the logo of your connected system, the asset will be opened in the web application of your cloud or DAM system. Next up, navigating the Settings tab. The Settings tab allows you to customize your CI Hub Drive experience. You can adjust general settings and set your own preferences as you wish. And to make sure that you have the latest version of the CI Hub Drive, click on About, and from there you can check for your updates. That's it for this tutorial on how to navigate CI Hub Drive. For more tips and support, visit our website. Thank you for choosing CI Hub Drive.